Hello, this is Vishal from Aurangabad. I have done this project with the help of TECHNOLOGICS team. They'll explain.
So today we want to working about that decided about two different objects. How we want to define that object? So we want to use that here two motors of DC motor and one for the separation of this motor. With the help of we are using here three different IR sensors. We are working in TIC microcontroller with interfacing with our LabVIEW software. So here we are using for that different pins for port A. For pin for that IR sensors, there is three different kinds of sensors are there. They are detecting to object how we want to work it out. So I give it to you, but this my rotate for that panel for they are rotating here objects. If they are sensing, they are sending the data in our IR sensors. So they are rotating our motor. If I am sensing the all data for that in proper way. So we are getting here. So first we are taking as a big object. They are sensing in our LabVIEW window. They are sending small component. When we are sending a small object, the object is sensed.
Okay.
When we are putting a big object, they are sensing first sensor, then second sensor, then third sensor. They are rotating the motor and they are separate the object. Once again,
Yeah, thank you very much, TECHNOLOGICS team, for helping us in executing the project.